the duration of the internship. The thing is that as per
Yes.
our college is concerned, our classes are going on, and from next after 2 weeks we'll be having our semester end examination.
Okay. So I think you can join for tomorrow from tomorrow, and during the exam time, you can just take a leave by informing your heads.
Okay,
Or if
that's
you
fine.
wish, after completion of your exam also, you can just join.
Okay, ma'am, I'll join from tomorrow, and during the examination I'll take a pause.
Yes. Okay then. So do others have doubt? Any doubt? Preeti. Preeti, is my voice audible to everyone? I think Preeti, you have a network issue. So everyone on your camera here. Okay, if you don't have any doubt, you can just share your details in the text box and leave the meeting and join your domain meet. So is anyone who have joined this link or joined this meet using a link from WhatsApp? Just raise your hands. Others, Aman, put your hands down. Others who have joined this meet using a WhatsApp link. If someone has shared you a link in the WhatsApp, is there anyone? I think no one. Most of them have joined using a QR code. Then you can leave and join your QR code. If you have doubt, you can just come back to this meeting. I'll be here itself till 8:30. Then you can just ask. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, okay then. You
Okay,
can
ma'am.
just leave.
Okay.
I think Preeti, you are the one who is facing this problem. You can't hear me. You just leave the group, leave the meet, and just check your internet connection and then join back. I'll be here itself. If you have any doubt, you can just contact me here. Vikas, Vikas, Aman, Vikas, do you have any doubt? Just respond no. Vikas, are you here? Aman, Aman, are you here? Aman,
Aman is not here. He left the meeting.
okay. But his name is showing here. I thought he was here.
Yeah, his name is showing, but he was left the meeting. In chat box, you can see. Yeah.
Preeti, 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 are you there? Can you hear my voice now? have shared your link of UI UX domain. You have to leave this meet and join that meet. And I think you know you have to register in a startup world. The link is shared in the text box. Did you get that registration link?
Actually, I got ma'am, but I didn't registered for it.
Now you have to not register. Now you have to be there and you have to leave this meeting and join your domain meet. Means that link which I have shared to you. After your completion of your interview, then you have to register in that as a student. After completion of your registration process, you have to send me a screenshot. I have also shared my number in the text box. Okay.
Okay.
So during the registration process, if you face any problem, you can just contact me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, I think you know the details like this is a 6 months internship. It is in virtual mode and it is unpaid internship. And you will receive an
Yes,
offer
ma'am.
letter after joining for this internship. And after completion of the internship, you'll just receive an completion certificate. So based on your performance, your letter of recommendations also will be provided. Okay. So and this in this internship, the task will be based on your daily basis or the weekly basis. So every day after completion of your that task, you have to just update your heads. So that will be means in the what format you have to be updating or the report format is will be taught by in the orientation program. Okay. So for now you that will be taught further. Now you just leave this meeting and join that meet. After completion, you just register in startup world. Okay. So do you have any doubt? If you don't have any doubt, you can just leave the meeting and join that meet, which I have shared your link.
No, ma'am.
Then you can leave the meeting. Arifa,
Yeah.
so you have to on your camera. Yeah. Okay. I think, do you have any doubt how to conduct this?
I have it out. How to put the link in text box? I don't know. I know the startup world, but I don't know the AI room, interview room.
AI interview room, I did not share anything like that. See, I think I'll just repeat the steps again. So first you have to log into this. I'll just provide you a text of the email and the password you have to log in for this.
Okay.
After that, you have to just come here, and many of the members will be just asking you the credential to join. You just have to just admit that, and then you have to share that text I have shared, so that will be what just copy and the paste here. So I think can you
I already
see
copied.
the icon like chat in the below? Yes, I think in below you're getting the options like chat, right?
Yeah. Message.
Yeah. In that,
Message
if you
MNG
just
replies.
message M&G with AICT candidates.
Yeah.
Means you can just paste it there and just click on enter. The message will be floated in the text box. So similarly, the link also, it you have to be copied before itself from the WhatsApp or anything. You have to just paste it here. So all the meeting links, means I have shared for her for the UI UX. So that will be shared to you in the meeting, means in the group. I have made one group, right? Sonu Priya's team. So in that
Yeah.
meet or in that other, I'll just share you that. Okay. So I think this is a CGN meeting. We can't discuss about this procedure. So for now, I think, do you have any doubt how to conduct for today? No, I think. So did you understand?
No. Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
For
Okay.
different
Then
domains, there
after
are
8:30,
just a second.
different QR code or different link is there.
Yeah, okay. Okay, done. Okay.
Okay, after this meet, we'll just have a meet. I will just teach you how to do it.
Okay.
Okay. So this meet will be live in YouTube.
Oh, okay. I don't know it.
Yes. Yeah, that will be done by DevOps team, but we have to conduct the meet.
Okay.
That's our work. Okay, so I have started the meeting at 7:30. I will just float the message at 7:35 or 7:35. I'll just float the message of the details they have to be shared. At 7:35 till 7:45, you have to wait. You have to just inform them that fill your details in the text box, and you have to wait for 10 minutes so that they can just fill the details, and who have not joined, they'll join. After 7:45, you have to start. After means completely confirming or just conveying every details to them, you can just till I think it takes around 8:10. See, it's now 8:10. So I took 8
Yeah.
10. Uh, so after that, you have to wait for 20 to 25 minutes. Means if someone have doubt or if they did not found any of the link, they'll just come back to this meet. No,
I
yeah,
have to
then
wait for
you
8.
have to wait. Yeah, then you have to leave. Until then, you have to be waiting. Okay. So now we'll be waiting till 8:30.
Okay.
Kunal? Kunal, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is the problem you have faced? You have come back to this meet?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Flutter, right? 1 minute, I'll just check
Yes.
it. Irfan, are you there? Irfan,
Yes.
Prashant sir is not available today.
Okay. Yes. What were you saying?
So Kunal have been for Flutter development. The Prashant sir is assigned for that,
Just
but
wait.
he found
Just
no one.
yeah. What was it, Anupriya?
Kunal have been went for that Flutter development link, but Prashant sir is not there, it seems. Means
Okay.
many
So
are there, all the candidates are there, but sir is not there. So he was asking, is sir is available?
okay. Let me talk with.
Okay, Kunal, you be here. I'll just when it's fine, I'll just tell you. So what you have to be waiting here. So Divyanshu Raj,
Okay, ma'am.
Divyanshu Raj, are you there?
Hello.
Hello.
So what is the problem faced by you, Divyanshu Raj?
Ma'am, it's a network issues, but now it is fixed.
Since now you have joined for this meet, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So which domain you have applied for? So for
Ma'am,
which
Flutter.
domain did you apply? Flutter. Okay, 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
phone number, mail. You have just shared your domain and your location, the date of joining and working hours. You have to share all the details which I have asked. Arifa, are you there? Arifa,
Yeah, I'm there, but my camera is not working right now, so I didn't.
okay.
I just wanted to edit my joining link.
What?
No,
I
I
didn't
just
get what
wanted.
you said. Yeah, you can just edit.
Yes, yes, ma'am, and I'm in the Flutter development portal.
Yeah, okay, okay. Just on your camera and wait here. Here all the candidates are waiting for the Flutter development itself.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, do anyone have doubt? Is my voice audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Yeah. So if a currently project is running in the company, so that is something in if a part of that is related to your Flutter department, then they'll just assign it your heads. So what your head will do is he'll just split the task into different parts and he will assign you a task. So within these days you have to complete this part, or during the process also he may help you. Means he will ask if you have any doubt, he'll just help you out. So based on the daily basis and the weekly basis, the task will be assigned to you. So as I said before, that it's a completely practical. Okay, the meeting is scheduled for tomorrow. Sir is not available for today. So you everyone just text your name in the text box. Only the name.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone just share your name. I'll just give these names to your heads. That is yes. Tomorrow at the same time the meeting will be scheduled for 7:30 itself. So everyone share
Okay,
your
ma'am.
name without sharing
What we
your
have
name. Share your name. Everyone just share your name and leave the meeting. And for tomorrow at the same time 7. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write only the names in the text box.
Yeah, only the names.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do it.
Got it, ma'am.
Can we leave
I
the
have
meeting, ma'am?
names. Only 2 names. Others only 2. Even Abhiram and many of them have faced the same problem.
Another right here.
I'll do it, bro.
Ma'am, I already given the interview in another portal, like in Zoom, sorry, Zmeet.
Man, you are here for
Ma'am,
which domain?
tester, ma'am.
Which one?
Tester, software tester. I just given my interview
Then
and
you
I, Huh?
Yeah, okay.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Manjat, write your name.
So, Abhinav, you know what?
Can I leave?
Okay, others, if you have shared your details, you can just leave the meet. Yes. Who
I'll
have?
also share my name on text box. So now you can leave.
Yeah, you can leave.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. This is Manu.
Ma'am, on this
Yes.
time only we have to come tomorrow also.
7:30. You are here for Flutter development, right? The meeting is scheduled for tomorrow at 7:30. Name in the text box, only the name, and you can leave the meet. At tomorrow, 7:30, you just join the meet, okay?
At 7:30 at evening, no?
Yeah, evening itself. Same timings.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm sharing only the name.
Yeah, only the name.
Okay, ma'am. So can I leave now?
Yes, sure, you can leave now.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Arifa,
Yeah.
you just leave the meeting at 8:55. You join the review meet. I'll just share the link. So I'll just make you sure that every of our team will be know by you and others also. I think you don't know many of the members in our team, right? Do you know
I don't.
Anita? Yeah,
I
okay.
know
Today
Anita
we'll
and
just,
Subramaniam.
yeah, okay. Okay, then you just join, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye. Yeah. So what is the recent project you have done on the basis of data analysis?
On the basis of data analysis, currently I haven't done anything yet, but I have basics on that. Remaining projects on remaining domains I have done software developer and developer.
So okay, so are you interested in this 6 months internship?
Yeah, I'm interested.
Okay, so when are you going to join? When specific date you have to say me. So on this date I will be joining.
Can I leave? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, next one is Arin Joshi. Arin Joshi is here. Arin Joshi. Okay, I think she's not here. So we'll go for next Shravan Kumar Pandey.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, start your introduction.
My name is Shravan Kumar Pandey. I am currently pursuing BTech in data science from Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekananda Technical University. I have gained hand-on experience in Python, Pandas, NumPy, and machine learning. I have worked on real-world projects like iris species prediction.
Okay, so can you specify more about that project? So what and all you have used? So what are the specifications of that project?
Ma'am, I worked on a project called iris species prediction, which involved classifying iris flower into three species: Setosa, versicolor, and virgin. Based on features like petal length, petal width, sepal length, and sepal width. I used pandas for data analysis, cleaning, and Matplotlib and Seaborn to visualize the relationship between features. For machine learning part, I used a logistic regression model to train on the level data set. The model achieved an accuracy of around 9. To visualize the relationship between features. For machine learning part, I used a logistic regression model to train on the level data set. The model achieved an accuracy of around 95%, which showed good performance on test data.
So you have done only the mini projects, I mean simple one, right? So have you ever done any major project or more complex project?
No, ma'am, I am working on it. It is called center fault detection.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So are you interested in 6 months internship?
Yes, ma'am.
So when are you going to join for the internship?
Ma'am, from tomorrow.
From tomorrow itself. So what are your timings? So when are you going to work? At least you have to work 4 to 5 hours a day.
I have to manage my time. I have to go for college. So I am available for night, ma'am, from 7 to 11 p.m.
Yeah, sure. So where you have joined this meeting QR, so there itself you have another your QR. So data
Okay.
analyst. So go there and join that QR for that meet. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So next one is Shaik Niharika. Shaik Niharika is here.
Am I audible, ma'am?
So can I get an reply mail regarding the selection
Okay.
process?
So you can, it is time is flexible. You can, so is my voice audible?
It's breaking, ma'am. It's
Dharmika, for which domain have you applied for? Dharmika?
hello, ma'am. Yeah, please, can you please be loud, ma'am? It's very low.
Yeah, I'm
Sorry.
saying for which domain have you applied for?
I've applied for data analysis domain, ma'am.
Okay, for data analysis. And what will be
Yeah.
your working hours?
Working hours from 9 to 1.
Okay, from 9 to 1. All right. Dharmika, kind of interested in taking the team lead or be a team coordinator for your team? Are you interested in that?
Team lead, I am not that capable of team lead. So if you are willing to give, I'm ready for it. But my choice is a no. So it's up to you.
Okay, so I mean, you can if we select you, right? For the team lead.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So I'll tell you all those details later, what you have to do for being a team leader. But for now, what you need to do is you join this meeting by scanning HRMNG QR code, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Now go on the same website, that is CGN website. Go on the same website and you will find the QR code.
Yes, some petals.
Yeah. Okay, now let us start. I'm Sonapriya, HR coordinator. So first let us start by Dharmika. Dharmika is here.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible? Hello?
Yes. Yeah. So start your introduction.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So basically, my name is Dharmika. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I'm currently studying my final year in Christ University, Bangalore. So this is all about me. And regarding this internship, I feel this internship is perfectly aligned with my interest in data analysis to real world problems. So both the projects which are posted in the mail, like the CGN and Smart Cookie, are impactful and are also people centered. So I'm pretty excited by the opportunity to learn from professionals and also contribute to platforms that directly benefit users and technology. So this is all about me. Hello.
Yeah. So what is the recent project you have done on the basis of data analysis?
On the basis of data analysis, currently I haven't done anything yet, but I have basics on that. Remaining projects on remaining domains I have done software developer and developer.
Okay. So, okay. So, are you interested in this 6 months internship?
Yeah, I'm interested.
That we are coming back to you. Please appreciate and understand as to why we are coming this time. This time we are coming with a very singular purpose, and the purpose is no more I am going to be educating you or telling you the necessity and the importance of this particular workshop or 360 degree. Purely we have come back to you because after the initial webinar which was done, and it was expected that you people would be getting into registration. The registration is rather, if I would say, very minimal. There seems to be an attitude of total ignorance, or if I may say, very casual approach towards what we at AICT are trying to do. The maximum I can do is, after the webinar, I am now trying to also get people involved and get you a workshop for physical registration. This is the last time that from AICT we would be coming and addressing your state for any activity on this 360 degree feedback. After that, whatever activity or whatever sequence will be there and whatever issues will be coming, it will rest up to you and your institute coordinators to personally handle them, and then please resort on mails. We will try to address it on mails. But under no circumstances we at AICT will be having another set of webinar or a workshop for the state of Haryana as far as this specific topic of 360 is concerned. Please appreciate and understand. We involve a lot of people. We involve people all the way from US in this kind of activity. And every time when we wish to do something, unless and until the result is seen on ground, either that activity is not understood or that we are coming back to you. Please appreciate and understand as to why we are coming this time. This time we are coming with a very singular purpose, and the purpose is no more I am going to be educating you or telling you the necessity and the importance of this particular workshop or 360 degree. Purely we have come back to you because after the initial webinar which was done, and it was expected that you people would be getting into registration. The registration is rather, if I would say, very minimal. There seems to be an attitude of total ignorance, or if I may say, very casual approach towards what we at AICT are trying to do. The maximum I can do is, after the webinar, I am now trying to also get people involved and get you a workshop for physical registration. This is the last time that from AICT we would be coming and addressing your state for any activity on this 360-degree feedback. That we are coming back to you. Please appreciate and understand as to why we are coming this time. This time we are coming with a very singular purpose, and the purpose is no more I am going to be educating you or telling you the necessity and the importance of this particular workshop or 360 degree. Purely we have come back to you because after the initial webinar which was done, and it was expected that you people would be getting into registration. The registration is rather, if I would say, very minimal. There seems to be an attitude of total ignorance, or if I may say, very casual approach towards what we at AICT are trying to do. The maximum I can do is, after the webinar, I am now trying to also get people involved and get you a that we are coming back to you. Please appreciate and understand as to why we are coming this time. This time we are coming with a very singular purpose, and the purpose is no more I am going to be educating you or telling you the necessity and the importance of this particular workshop or 360 degree. Purely we have come back to you because after the initial webinar which was done, and it was expected that you people would be getting into registration. The registration is rather, if I would say, very minimal. There seems to be an attitude of total ignorance, or if I may say, very casual approach towards what we at AICT are trying to do. That we are coming back to you. Please appreciate and understand as to why we are coming this time. This time we are coming with a very singular purpose, and the purpose is no more I am going to be educating you or telling you the necessity and the importance of this particular workshop or 360 degree. Purely we have come back to you because after the initial webinar which was done, and it was expected that you people would be getting into registration. The registration is rather, if I would say, very minimal. There seems to be an attitude of total ignorance, or if I may say, very casual approach towards what we at AICT are trying to do. The maximum I can do is, after the webinar, I am now trying to also get people involved and get you a workshop for physical registration. This is the last time that from AICT we would be coming and addressing your state for any activity on this 360-degree feedback. After that, whatever activity or whatever sequence will be there and whatever issues will be coming, it will rest up to you and your institute coordinators to personally handle them, and then please resort on mails. We will try to address it on mails, but under no circumstances we at AICT will be having another set of webinar or a workshop for the state of Haryana as far as this specific topic of 360 is concerned. Please appreciate and understand. We involve a lot of people. We involve people all the way from US in this kind of activity. And every time when we wish to do something, unless and until the result is seen on ground, either that activity is not understood or that activity is very carelessly taken. or there seems to be an absolute lack of concern or an attitude issue towards execution. Notwithstanding, it's our duty and we are duty bound towards improving the complete quality in the technical education, and this being one of the subjects, it is my sincere request and a humble submission that please go through this particular activity of physical registration as please appreciate and understand from 1st April onwards, everything is becoming compulsory for the purposes as defined earlier. All those who will do it, they end up benefiting. All those who are still remaining ignorant, my request to you is either get in touch with us on mail or you can contact your neighboring institutes. The methodology for doing it. We welcome Mr. Avinash Kulkarni sir. And we very frequently involve you in these activities. We welcome Rakesh Khatri.
Good afternoon to you, sir.
Very, very good afternoon, Rakesh, and we once again welcome Shubhang Ken from my office.
Hello, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am. And from my office, always, you know, the girl remaining in the background, Miss Priyanka, the backbone of this complete activity from AICT. Welcome, Priyanka, also. Without wasting any further time, I would now request the complete team of Avinash Kulkarni, sir, to please take on and ensure that we are coming back to you. Please appreciate and understand as to why we are coming this time. This time we are coming with a very singular purpose, and the purpose is no more I am going to be educating you or telling you the necessity and the importance of this particular workshop or 360-degree. Purely we have come back to you because after the initial webinar which was done, and it was expected that you people would be getting into registration. The registration is rather, if I would say, very minimal. There seems to be an attitude of total ignorance, or if I may say, very casual approach towards what we at AICT are trying to do. The maximum I can do is, after the webinar, I am now trying to also get people involved and get you a workshop for physical registration. This is the last time that from AICT we would be coming and addressing your state for any activity on this 360-degree feedback. After that, whatever activity or whatever sequence will be there and whatever issues will be coming, it will rest up to you and your institute coordinators to personally handle them, and then please resort on mails. We will try to address it on mails, but under no circumstances we at AICT will be having another set of webinar or a workshop for the state of Haryana as far as this specific topic of 360 is concerned. Please appreciate and understand. We involve a lot of people. We involve people all the way from US in this kind of activity. And every time when we wish to do something, unless and until the result is seen on ground, either that activity is not understood, or that activity is very carelessly taken, or there seems to be an absolute lack of concern or an attitude issue towards execution. Notwithstanding, it's our duty and we are duty bound towards improving the complete quality in the technical education, and this being one of the subjects, it is my sincere request and a humble submission that please go through this particular activity of physical registration as please appreciate and understand from 1st April onwards, everything is becoming compulsory for the purposes as defined earlier. All those who will do it, they end up benefiting. All those who are still remaining ignorant, my request to you is either get in touch with us on mail, or you can contact your neighboring institutes. The methodology for doing it. We welcome Mr. Avinash Kulkarni, sir. And we very frequently involve you in these activities. We welcome Rakesh Khatri.
Good afternoon to you, sir.
Very, very good afternoon, Rakesh, and we once again welcome Shubhangi Jain from my office.
Hello, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am. And from my office, always, you know, the girl remaining in the background, Miss Priyanka, the backbone of this complete activity from AICT. Welcome, Priyanka, also. Without wasting any further time, I would now request the complete team of Avinash Kulkarni, sir, to please take on and ensure the physical registration of the institutes as far as the 360 degrees concerned. All the best, and over to Avinash Kulkarni, sir.
Sir, good morning from USA and good afternoon to all the colleges in India. You're welcome to this wonderful event that AICTE has arranged. And as Colonel Venkat said, this is to give you a detailed understanding of how to use the system that AICTE and Smart Cookie has created. The system is primarily meant for rewarding and recognizing teachers for the good work that they do. And I'm going to request Mr. Rakesh Khatri, who is our technology officer, to walk you through the steps of uploading the data, how to activate your account. AICTE has pre-registered all of you, and you can use your authorized email ID and the password, as Rakesh Khatri sir would explain. And once you log into the system, how you would upload the data so that the students can be authenticated, teachers can be authenticated, and student-teacher relationships can be validated when the students are giving feedback to the teachers. So, Rakesh Khatri sir, please go ahead and make the presentation.
Thank you, sir. Welcome everybody from the state of Haryana today for this workshop. Today we will see how we are going to activate, register yourself onto the portal. All of you would have received the Word document that was sent to attached with the presentation. I do believe you all have your email IDs that are registered with AICTE. Please follow this link. Go to this link www.bit.ly/AICTE-360 feedback. The one that was given to you. Please visit this link. We will go hand in hand with everybody. I will put this on chat also right now. If everybody can go to this link, I will take you through step-by-step process of what you are supposed to do, and we will try and address questions and colleges that are unable to activate their account. So please visit this link that has been put in chat. Once you have visited this link, please click on School Admin, Institute Admin, that is there. You will land up to this login page that would be there. In the login page, please type in the email ID that has been registered with AICTE. In the school ID, institute ID, you are going to put the AICTE permanent ID, the PID. AICTE permanent ID is what you are going to put in here. And the password would also be the same. You are going to put in the same password as what is your AICTE PID. I will repeat, the email ID is the email ID that you have given to AICTE at the time of registration. The school ID, institute ID, and the password for the first time will remain your AICTE permanent ID or the AICTE PID. This is only for the first time. Once you have typed these two, please click on login. Once you click on login, you will land at the terms and conditions page. Please scroll down and accept the terms and condition that is there. Once you accept the terms and conditions, you will be asked to enter your new password. This new password will be used for login. Update your password and you will be logged into the system. All those who are unable to log in and are getting different error messages, I suggest you put them in the chat box and we will go ahead by activating each of you. The process of activation registration is very simple. You simply need to accept the terms of conditions and your account will get activated. I request all those who are unable to activate their account, please put in your AICTE PID that is there and what is the email ID that you are trying. We will rectify and see, we will check and see if those IDs are the same email IDs that are registered over here. I will wait for a couple of minutes for people to log in. I see about 3 colleges successfully activating themselves. Yes, Dr. Arshi Sharma, I will repeat the entire process again. For the benefit of everybody, I will again run through the procedure. So if you go onto the link, click on school admin as the link. Once you are in the school admin as the link, you can say allow access to your location. In the email ID, please enter the email ID that has been registered with AICTE. Your school ID would be the AICTE permanent ID that has been allocated to you, the AICTE PID, that is what you will use. And the password for the first time will still be the same, that will be there. So you will be entering in both the places the same username and password that will be there. The AICTE PID, the AICTE permanent ID will be the ID that you will type both the places. Once you click on login, you will land up at a page where it will ask you for your terms and conditions. This is only one time it will ask you. This I have repeated on request of on the request in the chat by Dr. R.C. Sharma. I'm showing you the process again. Here, after the terms and conditions button comes, please click on accept. Once you accept the terms and conditions, it will ask you to type in the new password. Please type in the new password, reconfirm your password, and update them. Once you update your password, you will be on the dashboard. A question from Government Polytechnic, Dhamalwas. You put your email ID. Please put in your AICTE PID so we can verify whether this email ID is there as part of your AICT registration.
And Rakesh, you do cover the forgot password portion also. In
I will
case
do that.
people forget the password, they select.
For Rajiv Sardana ji, the first time password is your AICT PID, AICT permanent ID that is there. That is your first time password. For Government Polytechnic Damalwas, you will have to send in an email to the email ID AICT 360 degree FDC 360 degree at aict-india.org with your the AICT permanent ID with your email ID and your name of the college. Please send an email to FDC 360 degree at aict-india.org. We will check out what is there with this account. Dr. R.C. Sharma, if you can put in your AICT PID, we will check out your email ID in the system. Pradeep Dayaji, you also, sir, please, if you could put in your AICT PID. Dr. R.C. Sharma, I have sent you the email ID that is currently registered with AICT. Please use this current email ID that I have sent to you. Ruchi Duaji, we will tell you what next needs to be done as to how you will get data uploaded into the system. What you are going to do next is what I'm going to show you out. All the figures will show you 0 because now is when we will be creating the data set for your set of colleges. We will ensure that the other colleges get activated, and then I will show you the process of the upload panel as I had last time shown you. Even the document that was sent to you covers how you can go ahead and upload, create the Excel files. We'll do a small poll and we will see if what kind of systems you have. I will take you through step-by-step process how this is done.
Rakesh, Dr. Sharma wants to know where did you send the ID?
On the chat, Dr. R.C. Sharma, I have sent on you on the chat itself a private chat to you that tells you what is your email ID. Yes, Rajkumar Das ji, everything will be showing you zero. You will be uploading. I will be showing you how the data will be uploaded on the platform. Ashish Mehta ji, if you can confirm, yours is Government Polytechnic, Shrigram, Katihal. I have sent you the email ID, Ashish Mehta ji, which you need to use to log in into the system. I have about 13 colleges so far successfully activating themselves. Surinder Kumar ji, please, if you could send in the AICT permanent ID, please. Ashish Mehta ji, with the same the email ID that I sent you, use that. Put in your AICT ID as your school ID and the password the same. You should be able to log in. Both the password and this is the same. Please log in with it and you should be able to log in with it. Surinder Kumar ji, your email ID looks to be correct. Please use the same user ID and the password to log in. You should be able to log in. Ensure you are using one dash, as it is, the whole number as it is. You should be able to log in. For your benefit, I will again send that email this thing to you, your email ID. It looks like you're using the correct ID, DAV Institute of Management Studies. Dr. Isha Malhotra, your Dronacharya College of Engineering. Is that correct? I have sent you your email ID on the chat. You can log in. Ranjit Singh ji, yeah, there's a different email ID that has been registered. I have sent you the email ID that is currently being registered. Currently, that is registered.
Rakesh sir, please put in the link for the first login. Dr. Tilak Raj wants to log in.
Dr. Tilak Raj wants for JC Bose UST YMCA. Sir, please share us your AICT PID to tell you your email ID. Dr. Isha Malhotra, the email ID that I sent you, please do a copy paste on that, principal at, and then you put in the AICT PID. You should be able to log in. For YMCA University, I'm sending you the email ID, Dr. Tilagraj. Dr. Isha, first click on the link that was provided, the bit.ly link. You will land to the portal homepage. On that, click on School Admin. Once you click on School Admin, the login credentials page will come up. In the email ID box, enter the email ID. Below that, the school ID. Please enter the AICT permanent ID and the password also the AICT permanent ID. And then click on login. Once the login process will begin, your activation process will begin. You will land up at the terms and conditions page. Accept the terms and condition, and you should go ahead. Dr. Isha, our side, we've been able to see that, the process is working. The others have been able to get through. We may have to see what additionally you have a different set of challenge by typing at the email ID or copy pasting the email ID. What I will do is I will quickly try and go ahead, and then we'll come back with people, those who still have a problem in logging in or in activating their account. We will come back again. In the meantime, the others, those who are there, can proceed, and then I'll come back again to all those who have not been able to activate their account. For the benefit of others that are there, I'm just going to do a quick poll here as to try to figure out how many of us here belong to engineering, polytechnic, pharmacy, and others. I'm just going to do a quick 2-minute poll. Request you to respond to these poll, and so that we can better process. I'm just opening up the poll. On all your screens, you should be getting a poll question that is there. Please respond to the poll question. We're just trying to understand what type of colleges are currently over here. So we have about 25% respondents already. About 20 people have responded. Request others to respond. In the next 30 seconds, we will end the poll. We've got about 35% respondents. Last couple of seconds before we close the poll. Thank you for giving your poll responses. So we've got about 20 engineering colleges, 21 polytechnics, and 2 management colleges that are there, and 1 others. So thank you for giving this thing. Now I will take you through a step-by-step process of what next needs to be done for the colleges that have got activated themselves. Others will come back to you and activate your account also. In the meantime, you can view this particular thing. So all those colleges that have been able to activate them, you can go on to this upload panel here. This is from where we will be able to add more data through Excel format, and then I will take you through the manual format also, how you can go about adding this. So I think what I can do is I can do one more quick poll in trying to understand if you've got any ERP system installed in your organization, or do you have any student in management system that is there. Let me run a poll on that also. so that I will get an idea as to what kind of systems and how do I go about structuring this particular presentation. So I'm again doing a quick 2-minute poll for my benefit. This is for my benefit, trying to understand how your data would be structured. So I'm just running in a quick poll. Request you to also please respond to this. I really want to understand as to what kind of ERP system, if you have any, or whether you've homegrown any system, you've licensed any from an ERP vendor, you're using Excel to keep your student data, teacher data, timetable data, or you're using it on paper to do that. So I see a lot of you have it on Excel, so that would be good. Those who are having ERP system and license system, or ERP that has been licensed from a vendor, or ERP that is homegrown, that is also good. For colleges that are doing on paper, yes, we have a system for you also. We'll have another 30 seconds before this poll ends. We should be ending in the next 10-15 seconds. Thank you for giving your responses. So here what I'm getting to understand is you have, most of you have it on Excel, homegrown ERP 2 and license ERP 6. There's a procedure for you also that we will follow, and for those who have it on paper, 3 colleges, we will show you how to do manual data also. So here, what we have is, once you are on the upload panel, on the right side that you would see is different drop downs that are there. These are the different file formats that you need to download. Course level format, degree format, department format, branch, class, division. Each of them you will have to click on download format, save the file where you would want to. Say I would want to save it on desktop in a folder called as 360 degree feedback or 360 data, and I would save the file. Similarly, I will go to degree and I will download the format. So these are all the file formats that are standard that need to be downloaded. These are the formats that we will update. If you click on course level and if you click on preview, you will understand what this data is all about, what information we will be required. Once we have saved the file, what I will do is I will go ahead and open the file. If I open the file, you would see is in the first file there are about 3 columns that are there. One is the school ID, one is the external course level ID, and one is the course level. What does this mean? The school ID is your AICTE permanent ID. You are going to put in your AICTE permanent ID here. In your course level ID for where there is automation in colleges where you have an ERP system, you will get this ID from your ERP system. Where you are maintaining it on Excel, you can simply use 1, 2, 3, 4. Course level would be undergraduate, UG, PG. This would be there as part of your file. This is how you will be creating your first file. The first file would be course level. As simple as that you would create is saying that this is your school ID, this is your course level ID, and this is your course level. UG undergraduate, PG postgraduate. For diploma colleges, you can put 1, 2, 3 and only diploma. Okay. For places where there's only diploma, you can put 1 as diploma also. This is your first file. You can save this file. If you save this file, save it as a CSV file only and close the file. Once you have saved the file, then we'll go on to how this file can be uploaded to the system. On your left hand side here, you will see the first button that is there is called as course level. For some of you, the other options may be grayed out because there is a process in which you are going to upload. After you upload in sequence, only then the other options get enabled. You may only be seeing one that is activated there as course level. Click on course level, click on browse, select the file that you had created and updated, click on open, click on upload. This is as simple a process as that. Okay, upload it to temporary table. You can now go in and process this file. Now you will see here that the 3 records that I wanted to upload are shown here. I can go on to the batch scanning status and I can see what will happen over there. I can go to batch upload status. This is the file that I have uploaded right now. My batch upload status, 3 records. I can go ahead and process this file. Once I process this file is when my data will get added and updated. So if there were any error records, it will tell me what is the error record. So here, if I come to my batch upload status and I check for error records, I can download these error records and see what is the problem in these error records. So there is no error. It got uploaded successfully. So all these entries got updated. The 3 entries that I had done, I have got all updated. There are no errors over there. Similarly, you can now go ahead and create the next file, that is the degree file. So the different degrees that are offered, the different diplomas that are offered in your college, you can add them over here. You can simply download the format, preview and see